XRP, XLM holders, are you happy with how November turned out? I'm going to share with you one stat, and then we're going to look at some charts, and then I'm going to ask that question again. Starting it off with your comments, and boy, has this November been an interesting one. Black Jackman says, Klaus, mit Kaffee und Lebkuchen. What about mit Glaze, right? Joshua Sanchez says, go yourself, Elon Musk talking about his new interview. Watch it. I definitely have to watch it. Let's get to that heat map. Bitcoin's in at 37,783. XRP 2048. Oh no, ETH 2048. Wow, misspoke on that one. My bad, everyone. XRP sitting at 60.6 with XLM at 11.8. All right, gonna share with you a stat, and then we're gonna talk price. November crypto losses hit 363 million, its highest in 2023. According to Certic's data, November was the most financially destructive period of the year, with losses amounting approximately 363 million due to a series of crypto exploits, hacks, and scams. Exit scams contributed month's total with about 1.1 million lost as projects vanished along with investors' funds. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, approximately 363 million, highest in the year. Okay, XRP, I mean, it's essentially sideways, right? I mean, it's pretty darn close. XLM, okay, a little bit more to the negative side, but look, nothing crazy. Do you remember times when, like, these exploits would just rattle the market? You remember that about a year ago when you would start hearing about, like, the Mango Markets exploiter and all that kind of stuff and how that would shock the market? And all of a sudden you'd have all these big traditional finance people coming out just ripping on crypto. Well, you don't see that much now. And in fact, you don't see the rough price action now. In fact, I mean, both charts look fairly similar, right? Some big juicy action beginning in November, and then it kind of went on down. Yeah, I gotcha. But I mean, to hear that crypto had its highest losses in November's with hacks, scams, and schemes, and yet to see the market staying strong like this. In fact, when we go to the heat map, check this out. When we go to the heat map, zoom out, you don't see much red, do you? Like I said, XLM is one of the few. One of the few. The rest of the market looks very healthy. Look at it in the month. Bitcoin up 10%, ETH 13, Sol 71%, ADA 24, DOT 25, Matic 17, Doge making a good move up almost 20. So I mean, strong overall market in November, even though we had its biggest time in hack, scams, and scheme. It's just observational data because I wanted to put things into perspective. A lot of people out there are looking for moon action all the time, and that just isn't practical at all. Now, to see, though, that the crypto market remained positive for the most part, like I said, XLM laggard in the market, can't argue against that one, hey, buddy. But like with the market and the way the market is reacting, even though this has been horrible scams and schemes, CZ taken down, Binance having some big penalties because of that, and the market's still green. And the market is starting to price in Jerome Powell and the Fed taking a pause and even starting to lower it. Yes, 41% chance they're going to actually be lowering rates in the March meeting. How crazy is that? So you're definitely seeing some optimism priced into the market, even though some metrics that normally would bring the market down didn't seem to have any effect. Today was an easy one. I ran 6 miles on tired legs because I had 3 workouts yesterday. This was a crazy month. I did not take a single day off, which was rough. Single day off doing videos, workouts, of course. Tomorrow's a day off on workouts. Oh, lucky for me. Tomorrow is also December 1st. So as the song goes, wake me up when November ends. It's supposed to be September, but I said November. All right, everyone, take care.